Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today I got a great video for you, tread pulling around obstacles. This is a great video to show our everyday obstacles on job sites. One guy wet, one guy squeegees. We're squeegeeing. There's a car parked directly in front of the bay that we want to squeegee. So we're doing it all from the side. You need to do this with a swivel handle. We're using a 9-inch ledger swivel handle, 18-inch sorbo channel, and Unger 18-foot poles. You can see where the squeegee is currently at. The swivel's being used to get an angle, because the user is set off to the side of the windows. And you can see when we're wiping the sill right here, that swivel also, we use a brick to change the angle of that swivel to be able to wipe the front face of that bottom sill. I love this video because our job sites every day change. A car might park somewhere. Somebody might be working somewhere on the building. We have to adapt to the surroundings. And this is being versatile, having different tools and different techniques and skill levels of each of the guys working. We love the 2-man, 1 wet, 1 squeegee option because we think it's so efficient. One guy just does their job and keeps moving on. Again, you'll be able to see here after this final swipe, changing the angle of that swivel to the frame. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum, trad pulling, working around obstacles.